Hello, I'm going to show you today how to make this spooky graveyard nail art. Come and watch me work. First of all, you're going to need 2 layers of boho onto your nail. Don't forget to cure 60 seconds in between each layer. Then you're going to get Old Smoke, which is a grey detail paint, and you're going to make 2 blobs. You're going to add one of those blobs with Complete Base, so it makes the grey go really milky and it's easier to make the background gravestones. Here you can see I'm making the design, just a guideline, and then I'm going to go in and make my gravestones. This is just the background, so you don't need to pay too much attention to the shapes. Then you're going to get black detail paint and add a blob of that to the grey. This is going to make the second shade of grey for your gravestones. As you can see here, I have sped up the video just so you can see all of the detail that I am adding, and the end result will look something like this. Then you're going to add another blob of your black detail paint to the grey to make this slate grey colour, and then you're going to do your gravestones. Again, pay attention to detail. You can use 2, 3 or 4 different sizes and shapes to make your nails stand out. And you will get something that looks similar to this. In between each stage we are curing it for 30 seconds. Next you will go in with your black detail paint and do the final step of gravestones. This is really important to make these ones stand out, and don't forget to layer them as you can see like I'm doing here. Now you could stop your nail art just there, or you can do what I've done, which is adding a spooky tree just to create those depth and dimensions within your nail art. This is a really good way of leveling up your nail art and making it stand out from the rest. And the end result will look something like this. Cure for 60 seconds and then bring it back out of the lamp. Then here I'm using just a really small amount of the grey detail paint on a wider brush, just to create this kind of spooky sky effect. And now we need to add top coat. I'm using Super Shine from HONA, and a really good trick when you are doing nail art, especially with this many levels of detail paint, it can sometimes get a bit bobbly. So once you've done it, turn it over and roll the top coat. You might find that it actually creates a much more sleeker finished result, just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it, and welcome to the spooky season.